All right, YouTube. We'll go over a quick bias. Again, I like going over it just so I can go back and watch my own videos. And again, you guys can go back and watch these videos too instead of back testing sometimes. It's good to go watch the live market and see what it does. I know it's boring, but again, it can help you get better. That's what I personally do, and it helps a lot. But we'll go to the 4-hour time frame. We can see ES already took out these highs, right? We had this 4-hour high, we had this hourly high up here. NASDAQ hasn't taken them out yet. So we did form that 4-hour SMT, right, off of this. And then we formed an hourly SMT off of this high, right, as you can see. I want to see if we can maybe come up, take out London session highs, and continue down to this 4-hour fair value gap we have down below. We're currently respecting this 4-hour fair value gap, but we also have these draws and liquidity down below. We have this hourly, and this hourly. Or I want to see if we want to just continue higher, right? I honestly don't want to take a buy position on ES because, again, we have just, it's no man's land right here. But, again, maybe this is going to be the same thing as we've done in the past 2 days. We have these fair value gaps, right? Maybe we just get flush movement through here and just continue higher. It's happened the past 2 days. I wouldn't doubt it, but for these SMTs to play out, this 4-hour SMT especially, I would like to see a higher time frame draw get taken out before we continue higher. But again, that 4-hour SMT that formed could have came down and made us fill this 4-hour fair value gap, and now we're getting a bullish reaction off of it. So we just took out London session highs. I'd like to see if we can get a reaction off of this area. But if we look like we want to keep continuing higher, I would like to take the trade on NASDAQ because we could target this 4-hour and this hourly that already has been taken. But other than that, again, once we take that, the next draws are pretty far up. Let's see if we can mark them out. Yeah, how many points is that? Yeah, it's like 370 points, 400 points away. So, again, we're going to see what the market presents. If no opportunity presents itself today, there's no need to take a trade, especially since we had a good day yesterday. We missed out on an opportunity on Monday, which is fine. But we're going to see what happens. There's no rush to take a trade. So we're going to do the same thing that we always do every single day. Follow our rules, stick to our plan. And if a trade doesn't present itself, we move on to the next day. And that's part of trading and part of life. So there we go. That's my bias for future Travis and for the people watching on YouTube. I'm not going to full port every trade. And that's a smart thing to do, Pluto. Can you stop licking yourself? It bothers me. Hey, stop. No. Lay down. Lay down. I said lay down. Dude, when dogs lick themselves, it's like someone eating with their mouth, like with if they're chewing on food, and they're like if they have gum in their mouth. That's one of the things that'll just piss me off. It eats at me. We got Mr. T Long in here. What up, Mr. T Long? Guys, I don't think I'm gonna play music again, because every video that I played music on that got copyrighted, it didn't do too well. But when I don't do it, it just does better. I'm going to X out this 4-hour just for now so it's not in the way. But yeah, let's see what we get. We're very bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe we can get a little retrace down. We'll see. I want to see how we react off these London session highs. Is this a 4-hour high too? Yeah. All right, let's see how this next 5-minute candle forms. Let's see if we form a 5-minute bullish fair value gap or not from here. I'd like to see if we can, and then see if we can come down and either inverse it or react off of it, continue higher. But I'd like to take, if we were to take a trade, or I would take a trade, I would target these draws above. That'd be it. Here's over no man's land again. But again, we might just move swiftly through it. Who knows? We did it here. Through this, we swiftly moved through that. Same thing with this fair value gap here. We swiftly moved through that. Same thing with this down move down. We swiftly moved through that. I don't know. We'll see. I did no technical analysis. I'm just signal botting for this email. Oh, God. You can't blame anybody then. Signal bot Wing Wong. Put the pressure on him. Is Voodoo in here or Lorenzo? Who uses FTMO? He's signal botting Wing Wong. I told him just to signal the trade you take. You got a problem? What? You don't feel good? Are you okay? You want a hug? Are you okay? What's wrong? Do your ears hurt? What is it? You don't look like you feel good. Is it your ears? You gotta get them checked? Yeah. Did you not feel good? Did I feel good? Yeah. Alright. Wanna say hi, YouTube? Say hi, YouTube. You can't sit here, okay? You gotta go lay down. Go lay down, okay? Go lay down. Come on. Go lay down. Alright, let's see here. Again, this is a higher time frame in London session. I want to see more of 5-minute confirmation instead of 1 minute. I'm gonna mark out these 15-minute lows though. I want to see 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Why did that do that, man? Yeah, I'm not gonna scale right down to the 1 minute yet. See if we get a reaction off this. I'm not gonna take this, but geez, my contacts are bothering me, dude. We do have equal lows down below, don't we? We do. We do have equal lows on NASDAQ. I'm personally not going to take this because I want 5-minute confirmation first. I mean, this might be good, dude. This actually might be looking good. We got all this low resistance draws down below too. Bearish candle close out of here too, dude. Let's see. No, we filled with a doji. I still wouldn't take it yet. I think this might dump down though. But the reason why I wouldn't take it too is because ES inversed that fair value gap. That's just another reason. But it looks good on NASDAQ, dude. But I'm not going to take it. I don't like how we inversed that on ES. Usually off higher time frame draws like London session and 4 hour, I need to see 5-minute confirmation first before scaling down to the 1 minute. If it was a 15-minute draw, I'd scale down to the 1 minute and go off of that. But I do think it's probably going to dump down. We do have equal lows down here too, right here. Use 1 minute. That's what the trade could look like. Look at this, it's gonna go. Wow. People are dumping it. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Mr. T Long, you took it? It's a solid trade. I think it's going to play out, but again, I just didn't like how ES inversed this 1 minute gap. I want both of the indexes to be correlated with each other just to make me comfortable enough to be in it. But again, another thing we can look at is ES is about to come up and take these highs. Net 936. This could be another confirmation for an SMT to form. If this 1 minute SMT will form, that'd be nice actually. ES just took these highs. Let's see, if we form this 1 minute SMT, Mr. T Long, you're gonna look good. Yeah, not yet. Hold on. Bloop. Bloop. I gotta make something for equal lows. Let's make this black. And then we gotta switch this to equal lows. Let's do that. Yeah, again, I'd like to see a 5 minute inverse for value gap, 5 minute break of structure off of a higher time frame sweep. Yeah, see. Yeah, it's all good. You know, Mr. T Long, with that, again, you can listen to me or not. I like, for me to be comfortable to take a trade, I want both indexes to be correlated with each other. Again, I trade ES and NASDAQ. I don't know if we just trade NASDAQ. But I just didn't like how ES inversed this bearish for value gap. If we respected it on ES, I would have liked that even more. But I don't know. I just like them to both be correlated. But that was a good trade. I think that was a good trade. I think that was a solid trade, actually. Yeah, no. You let it play. You let it play. You let it do its thing. I think that was a solid trade to take, so. We ended up inversing this. What would this be? 28-point stop. 128. Kind of like that, actually, dog. Kind of like that. I'm just paying attention right now. I don't want to take that trade yet. I honestly like this long, but again, ES is already above these highs. I want to see if we're going to form a 5 minutes and tee off it. Because again, this is a 4-hour high also. If it was an hourly high, I'd already consider going long. Well, let's see if we take out this high on ES. I mean on NASDAQ. Because what could ES come up here and target? What could we target on ES? We're in no man's land right now. Our next hourly fair value gaps. Oh wait, 6853. We got some room. I want to see if we take this high. This could have been something. But again, it's a 39-point stop down below this low. Entry off that inverse. Target here. Only thing I'd be worried about is this 5-minute S&T that's going to maybe form. But we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. Where's this fair value gap? Is this in equilibrium? It's pretty close. ES is showing me he wants to continue higher. Let's see. Where'd that thing go that I was chewing on? Yes, it's showing me we want to keep going up, dude. We got plenty of room, so points. Let's see if we missed that opportunity to go long there. Let's see if it wants to keep going. I'm going to see how much this risk could be if we come down instead of fair value gap in equilibrium. $180. Even better, dude. If we could form this 5-minute fair value gap and come into it and get a bullish reaction off of it, I'd like that even more. Look, if we take out this high, which we just did. All right, so that 5-minute SMT can't form. We might start pumping here. Let's see. This would have been a good entry off this inverse. Stop below this low. 37-point stop. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. What's this 1-minute low at? 944, 948, 944. It's all the way down there. Okay. Wow. Whoa. People who went long are getting smacked. Whoa. Wait a second. Wait a second. $944. $944. I'm going to X out this 4-hour high and this London session high because we know we swept those. I just want them out of the way. Seconds. Okay, we didn't yet. Are we really just going to have that reaction off of a 5-minute high? Or do you want to continue higher? Whoa. Wow. inversed it. We inversed it. We're coming for these lows. We're coming for them. We are coming for them. Wait, there's no entry I could have taken there anyway. 5-minute sweep. Max this out. Reevaluating. Where's this 15-minute low? 9:10. Where are you? 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Okay. All right. I'm staying patient here, guys. Uh. 938. 938. This hourly candle closes in 2 minutes to see if we break structure back to the upside in the hourly time frame. Because when did we break structure? We broke structure to the downside. Yep, we break structure to the upside if we close above this candle on ES. So let's look at NASDAQ. Same with NASDAQ. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for this 10 a.m. candle close. I don't care if I miss out to the downside right now. I'm just gonna wait. It's looking like we want these 15-minute lows at least. Let's see. Yep, there's one. There's two. There you go. What is this one at? Let's see. 15-minute, 9 a.m., right? We said this is at 9 a.m. Where's the 9 a.m. one? All right, I'm going to mark out that 9 a.m. one. "17 seconds. Let's see. We're going to break structure to the downside on NASDAQ on the 5-minute. We just did. So let's see if we want these hourly. Look at this shit, dude. Wow. ES took these two. Wow, wow, wow. We didn't break structure. We formed a new hourly high. Formed a new hourly high, right? Yep. Wow. Itsy bitsy one. I think we're gonna keep dumping here. Probably gonna hit this hourly low down here. Let's see. That's crazy though. So we swept this 5-minute high. If we scale down to the 1-minute time frame, I wouldn't even gotten an entry. I'm not entering off a break of structure. Maybe off that inverse we did, but still. Yeah, I didn't miss anything. I'm gonna pay attention to this 15-minute low though. Yep. Bigger stop. Reason I might want to go long is because, again, we only swept out a 5-minute high. We came down, swept out a 15-minute low. This might be the reaction to push us up higher because we created that new hourly high above, if we're truly bullish. So I want to see if we inverse both of these fair value gaps, which it looks like we're gonna. We didn't on ES. We didn't on NASDAQ. Let's see. Or this is just going to push us down right here. Let's see. We inverse this one. I don't got to give a shit about this one anymore. Let's see if we inverse this bullish fair value gap to the downside. Even this right here I wouldn't want to take really. But let's see. Let's see if we inverse this. Looks like we want to continue lower. Yeah. Yeah. Seven, 6, 5, 4. Alright, we inversed it. We're probably coming for that hourly down below. That's what I'd think. That's what I'd think. I'm not taking that. That's what I would think. we want to retrace into this 5 minute? I wouldn't mind it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna sit on my hands. See, maybe we can, if we want to continue down, do something like this. Come into the 5 minute. Now, we broke structure to the downside in the 5 minute on NASDAQ. We didn't on ES. Mm. $9.57, $9.57, $9.58, $9.58. Oh, Lord. Are those longs going to cook? It's looking like it. This 5 minute candle closes in 37 seconds. Let's see. Do we want to inverse this 5 minute gap? ES came into the first presented. Let's see. This is going to determine if I take a trade or not. Over here. Off this 5 minute. 2, 1, smack. I don't know. Oh. She's gonna make me do it. Uh-oh. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? 41 point stop it'd be? $45 stop or 43 stop or 8 stop Whoop. Stop it. Oh, lordy. Uh-oh. $7 stop. We inversed it on ES, but we didn't on NASDAQ. Hold on. We broke structure too on ES. Broke structure and inverse. We got to break a structure on NASDAQ. I might enter one here on ES. Let me see. I want both of them to correlate though. This could be break even. Just don't want it to fuck up my entry. Alright, NASDAQ inversed it. I went in on ES. Stop above 6811. 11 what? 50? Let's see if I get marked on this. Let's see if it faked me out. Let's see if I get marked on this. Oh, don't do it. Tell me right when I enter. Don't do it. Tell me right when I enter. I have it above this fair value gap. Let's see. First TP will be a 1-to-1. Second TP will be these lows. Let's see though. I think we're about to get cooked. Let's see. 7 points I went in. I went in 2 micros. Let's see if we get smacked. All right, I'm risking like $75 per account. See if we get schmacked. Only thing I don't like is that we came into this 15-minute fair value gap and respected it both of them on Nasdaq. Yeah, we're gonna get smacked. Let's see. Save us! Save us! Save us! 787 is my next one. But that's 790. Save us, ES! Come on! Nah, we reacted off VWAP. Yeah, we don't like that candle closure. Let's see. I don't like that candle closure. Alright, we're going to get tagged out here, it looks like. Whoa. Holy volatile. Which way you want to go? Which way you want to go? Alright, we're reacting on VWAP here. We keep respecting VWAP. That's what I don't like. Sellers are trying to kick in, but I think we're going to get stopped out here. Let's see, though. We didn't go in a big size just because yesterday was good. We de-risked today, so yeah, we keep respecting VWAP. Yeah. They're trying. Here we go. And stopped. All right, I took an L today. I liked it. It looked good. I got stopped. I liked it too. Only thing is just that we look at this 15-minute. We reacted off both these 15-minute fair value gaps. Again, we broke structure to the downside in the 5-minute. That's what I liked about it. But I swear, dude. I swear. If we get tagged out like this, I'm going to be upset. Let's see. I think we lost $2,000 today. Yeah. 1.8K. Still a green week. I mean, no way, dude. If you run without me right now, I will karate chop sue you. No way. You're joking. All right, I got that. I put it in the chat. You're joking, right? We're just chopping around here. Dude. for another entry, yeah. Dude, this is like, come on. It's gonna hit. What is this? Let's see though, hold on. I want to see if this forms. Hold on. I want to see if this forms because we have these 15-minute fair value gaps below. Look, we came into this one too. Do we have those on ES? Yeah, we have this one right here that we respected again. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. We did create this 15-minute low too, dude. It's gonna smack. Never mind. We created another 15-minute low. Let's see if this S&T forms. The 1 minute S&T formed. It did. We'd be almost at break even again. I don't like this price action right here though. I really don't. Watch, she's just gonna dump to our take profit. Oh my god, we'd be at break even. It's 10:24. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Oh, okay, yeah. Dude. Now we have equal lows. Now we have equal lows. We have equal lows that are going to get smacked. I just don't like this price action here. That's just. Oh my god. Okay. What is this? Not laughing at you. Dude, this shit's crazy, man. No, I'm having fun right now. We're good. We still have yesterday's win was bigger than today's loss. We're still up 1.86K in the week. What is that? Now we're gonna leave equal lows here? Well, we would have been stopped out regardless again if we re-entered. Maybe it's fucking with us. Do you want to continue higher or not? What do you want to do? Peace out, J. Cole. It's crazy. You're not going to leave equal lows like that, right? Let's see if we break structure back to the upside. ES is still in an uptrend on the 5 minute. But this is just dog duty water right here. F this 5 minute. We've already filled it. We just have equal lows down here now, just sitting. Are we going to break structure on the 5 minute or what? I need to see it on NASDAQ. How many points would this trade be? I don't like that doji though. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Davi's in the shar with shar. Davi's in the
Listen. We didn't break structure on the frickin' 5 minute time frame. Are you kidding me? Dude, do you want these equal lows or what? Or what? You're making it difficult for me here. I'm going to mark these out. This is going to be last opportunity decision. 'Cause I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus. I saw Wing Wong kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe. Yeah, that's what I need to. Aye, these equal lows, man. I know. Now we form an equal high. Like, what is this range? We really got caught in that shit. The ADD's kicking in, dude. Really gonna chop suey on me, huh? Yes. Just take him out. NASDAQ, don't take him out. Form an S&T for me. Let's get a 1 minute break of structure, inverse fair value gap. I'm gonna target these equal lows, and that's it. And then I'll be done for the day, okay? Alright? Okay. Okay. If you just listen, child, I'm gonna be upset if you just dump without me right now. What are we doing? Really? Would have been, dude. You stink. Ah. Oh my god. You suck. Stink. You suck. We're in this 5-minute gap. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna inverse it. End-break structure. Inverse end-break structure. Oh my lord. I just want to... ES inversed it. NASDAQ didn't. We broke structure on NASDAQ though. And you're just gonna go to the heavens. You're gonna take out this hourly high and you're just gonna have a ball. You know, sometimes you piss me off, market. What is this shit? We get caught in the chop suey? She's pumping up right now. We're coming for those hourly highs at the moment. But who knows? I mean, we've got some crazy shit going on today. We still got 5-minute equal lows down there too on ES. As of now, I'm done with trading. Unless we get a clean setup. But as of now, I'm down $94 per account. So we're down 1.8K. So not a big loss at all. Yesterday's win ate it up by like $100 per account. So I thank you. Oh, if it would have been. Let's see who else made money today. Let's go on social media. Here.
Just got this banger short.
The banger. All right, we're currently down right now. This is the trade. It's in the Discord, but we're down $94 per account right now. Okay. All right. Here's the trade we took. Yeah, we got stopped out right there. This was our entry. Dog shit. I'm a professional trader. Okay. Yep. We're currently down right now. This is the trade. It's in the Discord, but we're down $94 per account right now. Okay. All right. Here's the trade we took. Yeah, we got stopped out right there. This was our entry. Dog shit. I'm a professional trader. Okay. Yep. All right. Oh. Yeah, techno. Yeah, I'm like 85% done. Like 85% done. If we take that hourly high, I'm 100% done. And I'm just gonna end it on a loss, which is okay. But I want to see this 5-minute candle closure. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. I mean, it could play out for 1 to 2.5. And then target this too. That would be nice. I would like to see that. But I want to see this inverse this 5-minute. Broke structure on the 5-minute though. I need to see my retrace. Oh, we're not going to get it. Yo, poop nugget. Alright, 5-minute inverse fair value gap. We formed a new 5-minute. Let's see if the trading gods could bless us with a 5-minute retrace. If they can, I'll run around my neighborhood naked. Let's see if they could bless us with it without taking out these hourly highs. Which is probably not going to happen because we already chopped suey for a freaking hour. Oh my. Ew. Give me my 5-minute retrace, you bitch. Stop. The trading gods, yeah, they're listening. Hey, look, I did say something about these 15-minute freaking fair value gaps, though. I should have listened to myself before I took that trade. But it did look alright. Would have been. I know. Fuck. Let's see if we get one more opportunity. If not, we'll cut it on that. It's still a winning week, regardless. What did we do last month? Oh my god, we're about to do the same shit. 7.3 will be better than last month, I guess, by freaking $100. Winning week, winning week, winning week, winning week, losing week. Winning week, winning week, winning week, winning. Okay, we'll see. Oh, hello. What is your name? Trading gods, you hear me? Coming to that 5-minute fair value gap. Give me a 1-minute breaker structure, 1-minute inverse fair value gap. Target the hourly high above. I'll sacrifice a goat or something. I've already sacrificed 2. We must need a 3rd. Maybe. We'll see. We're coming into it. Dude, I swear if we inverse this 5-minute fair value gap, no sacrifice. No sacrifice. King Julian. Guys, I kind of want to skip legs today. No, you can't. What happened if Poppy ever seen Mart? Uh-oh. Oh, no. 30-point stop. What is that?
I wanna dance like David.
David.
I wanna faith like Paul.
Paul.
I wanna sing like Silas, tearing down the prison wall.
Ooh.
I wanna face that fire.
Yeah.
Won't burn me though.
No.
God's got my back, Shadrach, Meshach up in. This machine can resist up to 2.
Oh. What do we do? What do we do? Oh shit, I got sidetracked again. What are we doing? Oh, now we got 5 minutes. Hold on. Hold on. We didn't inverse it yet. Where's equilibrium? Oh my god, it's all the way in freaking bumblefuck on fucking NASDAQ. $120. 120 plus 94. Oh, we'd be on a losing week if we do that. I'm coming, King Juliet. Those are the best movies. You trade inverse fair value gaps? Yeah. Sometimes. I did today and I got schmacked. I'm down one trade right now. We're only down like 1 point something. 1.89. 1.89. King Julian. Listen, rules are getting set in stone right here. If we inverse this 5-minute fair value gap, I'm done for the day. I'm accepting my loss and I'm doing that. But if we come up and inverse this 1-minute fair value gap, hold on. Let's see if we break structure to the downside too. We did on ES. Okay. I need to see a break of structure inverse fair value gap now. But if we see that, we got 2 minutes and 50 seconds to determine that. ES came down into equilibrium. NASDAQ just like tippy tapped it. I'm going to wait. But now since we broke structure to the downside on both indexes, I need to see a break of structure to the upside, either inverse fair value gap or fair value gap equilibrium fill. Come on, Give me. This is crazy. This is crazy. Still those equal lows down below too, which I totally forgot about. So, yep, we're gonna grease the tuna all day long. The tuna greaser 3000. Good combo. All right, NASDAQ hit equilibrium. Let's see. We're going to hit the markets with the tuna greaser. They'll never see it coming. It's always my secret move. He ain't ready. Trust. Enter 100 micros? Nope. The new people who probably join this, they probably think we're so weird, but it's all good. We're having fun. Even when we lose trades, we have fun. But this is why risk management's good instead of crashing out because we took one fucking loss. Followed our risk management system. We followed our rules. We trusted the trade. Probability to play out on our side. And then we got our tuna greased. So now we're going to get our greasing back. That's just math right there. Look at this 5-minute candle closure. Oh, it's going to give me a... can't say it. We're on TikTok. And my girlfriend's in here too. She'll get mad. Yep, deal. Yep, And then Diddy party after. I'm just kidding. It's a joke. It's a joke. Pluto's his bet. No, none of that shit in here, man. Hey, you're still how old are you? You 17? You're still underage. Old enough. No, don't say that. Holy shit. Guys, look at this. What do we think? Where would a break of structure be? Right here? Stop below this low. Oh my god, we could do a 23-point stop. Less risk. Stop! Slow down, motherfucker! Slow down. Dude, just form a low. Form a high, Form a high. Oh, I'm going to karate chop you in the throat. Really? 26-point stop right there. I need to see break structure first. I need to see it. We got our fair value gap fill. I need to see it. If we get a break of structure inverse fair value gap on top of that. Dude, I'm clicking the fucking button. I'm just going to pay attention to this 1-minute S&T that can form. Oh my. We took it out. We took it out, mate. We're in deep waters. We can see the trouser trout coming up to the hourly high. Vicious species. And now I'm blind. 5-minute break of structure. 5-minute fair value gap being respected. Higher time frame. 4-hour, we're bullish. We have an hourly high, 4-hour high, and an hourly high above. NASDAQ, I mean, ES already took that out, but fuck. What's that gap? Why do we have a gap there? Why did we gap up like that? Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Problemo solved. We got to break a structure on NASDAQ. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Oh, yeah, we did. 26-point stop. Target this high above. What do you think? Can we inverse this fair value gap? See or no? You're not tricking me. ES still didn't break structure yet. This is last opportunity right now for me, okay? And if it doesn't happen, I'm ending it on a loss. We're still going to have a winning week. So, but again, I'm going in a light position size on this. Nothing crazy. I want to see this play. That hourly high up there is calling my name. Alright. Give me a B. B. Give me an I. Come on, ES. You formed equal highs now, dog. You're going to take those out. I just don't like this entry right now. 27-point stop up here at this inverse. I'd like to put it below this wick. 30-point stop if we get going 2 micros. Oh, ladies. Uh-oh. Oh, you dirty dog. You're making our entry terrible. You're giving us a shat entry. Oh, we inversed it. Now I go on 1 here. As of now, entry here. Where do we want my stop? I'll keep it large for now. We'll target a 1-to-1. I'm going to put it below this fair value gap right here. 2.5212. Oh my God, I went in on ES. What a doofy bally. Hold on. I'm going to accept the $0 Ross. We lost 50 cents. We lost 50 cents. I took it on ES on accident. But I want to enter 1 position size here on NASDAQ. Okay, now we're in on NASDAQ. We're in. We're in on NASDAQ. On ass crack. Where'd my stop be? 2.5212. Where's that? Holy shit. Are you kidding me? 2.5211. That's where it's at. Emotional damage. Emotional damage. Not good. Not good. We're reacting off VWAP. We're reacting off VWAP. Let's see. I want to respect this 1 minute bullish fair value gap on ES, and we did. I went in half my first position size on NASDAQ, guys. This is a 1-to-1 I'm targeting here. A 1-to-1. I want to both take these highs. I want us to both take these highs. I'm targeting a 1-to-1. I'm probably going to move my stop below these lows. Let's move it to 25.222. Let's go to 25.222. That's what we're going for. How much is this? A 36-point trade. Did we take these highs on both indexes? We did. We did. 36 points. 1 micro, E-mini on NQ. All right, we're trying to go for $72 win. $72 win. We'll cut our loss in a little bit, and we're risking 21 points. We're risking 21 points now. Give me the mathematics here. Come on. All right, we're risking $42 per account on this trade. So total loss would be 94 plus 42. 136 per account would be the total loss, so we'll still end on a winning week. Roll the tape. I'm in 1 micro, though. Nothing crazy. I'm going to pay attention to ES taking these hourly highs, though. That's going to be a little interesting. So we got to keep that in mind. We got to keep that in mind. All right, we're moving stop up a little bit to reduce some risk. We're going to go below this low. We're going to go below this low. We formed a 1 minute bullish fair value gap also right here. All right, NASDAQ's ES is taking these highs. ES is taking these highs. Moving stop up. Paying attention to this. Paying attention to this. Crank it. Crank it. Crank it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. I hear you. Don't you dare form a 5-minute SMT or a 1-minute SMT. I will schmagegi you. Let's go. Moving stop up even more. Just in case we get a reversal here. We're risking 6 points. Okay, here we go. 281's my stop. My stop fill. Let's go. We need to keep pushing here. We need to keep pushing here. Having it at 280. Having it at 280. 280's our stop. I'm trailing our stop. Trailing our stop. We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep pushing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's tag us out. Hoo, 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 hoo. I want you. I want you. Let's go. Let's go, 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 let's go. Come on, take that high, take that high. On this candle right here. All right, hold on. I think I'm gonna take this. I think I'm gonna take it. All right, hold on. We're taking it. Nope, I didn't take it yet. All right, we're gonna take it right there. Schmack, I'm done. I done. I take it. I take it. It's gonna hit though. But we reduced our risk. We reduced our loss, dude, on that pretty good. What was this? What was this? We still hit a 1 to 1.7 off of this. Off of this low. What was this off of this? It was a little bit less to a risk to reward. But it's okay. I only went in 1 micro. Now we lost $34 per account. Yeah! That's how you reduce the loss on a day, motherfucker! Get him up! 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 Go crazy! Go crazy! Go crazy! We still took a loss on the day. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Dude, you just put your head in my balls. Wipe my loss and have a profit of $9. Baby, we rich. Fuck around and find out. That's how you tuna the grease the tuna. Bitches trying to take our money? No. Mm-mm. 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 Alright, that's too zesty. We're not doing that shit. Stop barking. You're still good. Don't worry. You're still good. That hourly high is going to get taken. I need to resync this. You're looking protected right now, dude. You got 1, 2, 3 bullish fair value gaps. If I were you, I would set that bitch to break even. And yeah, you're coming. It's coming. Even set it above this last high. Oh! Woo! There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Still a loss for me, but again, we made some money back there, ladies. We made some money back there. Only a $684 loss. We still made $3K this month, or this week. I'll take it. I'll take it. I will take it. I will take it. What did we say? It's all good. It's all good. You made some back. Can we get a W in the chat on this one? All right, listen. We got some money back. All right, we still ended on a loss, but we got some money back, okay? This is the trade we took. I only took it with 1 micro, and then you can see our take profit right up there. We still targeted a 1-to-1, but we got some W. We got some W. Some people took that. Wing One got his money back. Pluto got some money back on his eval. Lorenzo, I don't know if he took that or not. Zeta, that's my wife. She's Pilates class. But there you go. We wanted that hourly high. I went in 1 micro E-mini because, again, holy shit. Hold on. Because, again, I thought we wanted these hourly highs. We're still continuing higher, right? But, again, I went in 1 micro E-mini because I didn't want to risk any more in the day. My rules are have to go in half a position size after 1 loss. 2 trade rule. We're done for the day. TP hit. Entry right there. Exit. And right there. See it? Yeah, nice. Only lost $34 on the day now. Okay? Cool.
We got some money back. All right, we still ended on a loss.
All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. There you go, Lorenzo. Peace out, Lorenzo. Peace out. Guys, we're probably coming all the way up here for these motherfuckers. But, again, what was our entry? We entered off that inverse fair value gap right here, right? What was my stop loss? It was below this low. So it was still a 1-to-1. Still a 1-to-1. Okay, we still hit a 1-to-1. I'll take it with 1 micro. But again, if I risked 2 again, 2 micro E mini. What, 34 point stop? So if I would have risked my normal, if I went 2 micros on this one, I would have lost $136 per account. Again, if I didn't take a loss already, I would have taken that, but it would have been $136 plus 94. So we would have lost $230 per account. That would have wiped this loss. That would have wiped this loss from yesterday. That'd be 230 times 20. So we would have lost 4.6K, ended on a losing week if it didn't go our way. But instead, we only risked, based off of our real one, we risked 34 points. 1 micro E mini on NQ. What do we risk? Yeah, we risked $60, so we would have lost 60 plus 94, 94 plus 60. We still would have ended the month green if we still did what we did there. But again, I don't know. Pretty simple trade today, guys, with that one. 5-minute. We got our 5-minute retrace into a 5-minute bullish fair value gap, a 5-minute equilibrium. We scaled down to the 1-minute time frame. We waited for our bullish confluences to align. We got to break a structure to the upside, a 1-minute inverse fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap. We had an hourly high above. Call me Felipe, Enrique, Iglesias. I don't care. We got some money back. All right. Cool. Still a loss, though, on the day, but I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it. I liked it. How much did we make back on that trade? $61. Yep. $61. So we targeted a 1-to-1. This was accidental, but $94 loss on the first trade. Half position size, went back, targeted our 1-to-1, got some money back. Julio. Oh my God, look at this baby go. Wow. Crazy. I like. Where we were below this low, so we targeted a 1-to-1. All right, people. Have a great Thanksgiving. YouTube, I'm cutting you off, and TikTok. Peace out.